How much does a full-time disc jockey make? The average annual salary for disc jockeys in the United States is around $41,000. And of course, on the high end, you have world-famous disc jockeys making millions as well. There are a number of factors that can affect a disc jockey's salary, including their experience, the city they work in, and the type of event they are working at. For example, those who work in larger cities or at high-profile events typically make more money than those who work in smaller towns or in lower-profile events. A DJ typically works freelance and may be hired by event planners or clubs. Some DJ may be self-employed. They may work nights, weekends, and holidays, depending on the event. What exactly does a disc jockey do? The disc jockey, also known as a DJ, are responsible for playing music for a live audience. They select the songs to be played and create the right mood for the event. DJ is a popular form of entertainment, and there are many different DJ types. Some DJ focus on playing music for dancing, while others focus on playing music for listening. There are also wedding DJ, club DJ, and mobile DJ. No matter what type of event they are working, a DJ needs to have a strong knowledge of music. They need to be able to mix different songs together and keep the energy of the event high. DJ also needs to be able to read the crowd and choose songs that will resonate with the audience. In order to become a DJ, one typically needs to have experience playing music and knowledge of different genres. They also need to know how to use audio equipment and software. There are no special requirements or certifications needed. Just buy the equipment, learn to use them, practice a lot, and start doing events for free to get your foot in the door.